Hi, have you ever wondered how profitable bluegum farming is? Does it rake in more profits compared to other types of farming? Well, today we're about to delve into the fascinating world of bluegum farming and compare its profitability with other farming types. Imagine a vast plantation of bluegum trees, their silvery leaves shimmering in the sun. Bluegum, also known as Eucalyptus globulus, is a tree species native to Australia but has been widely adopted worldwide due to its fast growth and versatile wood. Bluegum farming is a long-term investment. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a venture that requires patience and strategic planning. The trees take about 10 to 15 years to mature, but once they do, the payoff can be quite substantial. Bluegum wood has a high demand in various industries. It's used in the production of paper, pulp, and timber, as well as in the creation of biomass for renewable energy. This high demand translates into profitability for bluegum farmers. Now, let's compare this to wheat farming. Wheat is a staple crop with a relatively short growth cycle, typically around 4 months. While this quick turnaround can be appealing, the profit margins for wheat are often slim due to the high costs of production and the volatile market prices. Next, consider dairy farming. It's a year-round commitment, requiring significant investment in livestock, feed, and equipment. The returns can be steady, but may not be as high as those from bluegum farming, considering the high operational costs involved. Bluegum farming's profitability becomes more evident when you consider its low maintenance cost. Once the trees are planted and established, they require minimal care compared to other crops or livestock. This means fewer expenses for pesticides, fertilizers, or feed, contributing to higher profit margins. Moreover, bluegum trees are resilient. They can withstand harsh climatic conditions, pests, and diseases, reducing the risk of crop failure. In summary, bluegum farming can be a highly profitable venture. It offers significant returns on investment, especially when compared to other types of farming such as wheat or dairy. However, it requires patience and strategic planning, as the trees take a considerable amount of time to mature. So, if you're looking for a farming venture with potentially high returns and lower risk, bluegum farming could be an excellent choice. But remember, every farming venture comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. It's about finding what works best for you and your circumstances. And with that, we wrap up our journey into the world of bluegum farming. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Comment and subscribe. Be blessed. My brother, my sister. Before you exit, think about this scenario in a country like Kenya. In a commercial eucalyptus plantation at a spacing of 8 feet by 8 feet, you would plant around 680 trees per acre. Then you sell each tree at least 3,000 Kenya shillings each in the 8th year after planting. Do your mathematics. What if you have 2 or 3 or even 5 acres? Remember to subscribe to make our channel grow.